Hi folks, welcome back. As you see, there's Sandra and Simba all waving me off on my journeys. I'm setting off to the other side of Coniston, just to see how well this little inflatable kayak bears up on open water, innit? Give it a wee review and enjoy the scenery. So, as I said before in the previous video, we're up here on a disjointed camp out. We had an amazing weekend. All the other lads and lassies have all gone now, and it's just myself and Paul home and Sarah Cutler left. So we've been out just messing about in the water. So I decided to go and have a go at paddling across to the other side of Coniston, because a friend of ours had said that you could wild camp over the far end. So going over to check it out and basically see what the kayak's all about. As I've said before, the seats are crap, so let's get that one out the road. The seats are crap. No other words to describe it. I don't know who could sit in these comfortably. It can only be a 4-stone child, because they just fold. They just, no matter what sort of air pressure you put in them, how you fix them, how you sit them, nothing. Just a wee spin out there. There we go, we've been paddling for just under 2 minutes and we've achieved I'd say a good 500-600 yards. Not bad for an old wrinkly like me. So yeah, no, the kayak really tracks really well, very stable in the water. It's been quite choppy because the what do you call them, the tourist boats, the cruises, the lake cruise. One, as I was coming out, one was just going up, and then as I'm going up, the other one was coming back down. So there's been quite a wake in the water, and it doesn't seem to be affecting it at all. It's actually tracking really straight, and no, I'm quite pleased with it for what I paid for it. As I say, I bought it second hand, and don't quote me figures or anything, because obviously I don't know how much they are new. You need to look that one up for yourself, and special offers and stuff like that. But no, it's for what I paid for it. It's immense fun, really good fun. So yeah, definitely worth a punt if you can see one. But, couldn't have picked a nicer weekend to try it out. Obviously, warmest weekend on record according to the Met Office figures, but I'll take that with a pinch of salt. But like everything else, it's been nice. It's been really nice to be able to come out in the water to cool down. You're getting the breeze coming up the lake. Haven't really felt the heat. You only feel the heat when you actually go on land again. But and if an old wrinkly like me can paddle across the water in it, then if you're anyway half decently fit, this is going to be a breeze. So, but yeah, I'm well impressed with it. Even if you're only getting it for just messing about in the canals or whatever, it's a cracking little bit of kit. Folds up in a bag, not much bigger than a rucksack. You can basically go anywhere in any vehicle. You don't need a big van, you don't need a camper, you don't need any. You could literally put this in the boot of a Mini. I mean a classic Mini, not a new Mini. You could put this in the boot of a classic Mini and go anywhere you want in it. So yeah, very versatile piece of kit. Seats too easily. As I say, me and Sandra and the dog were in it most of Tuesday, and it was brilliant. Really, really good. So yeah, it's definitely a fun way to pass a day by the lake, canal, river, whatever. It's really good. Really, really good. So yeah, as I say, scenery like this certainly helps. I mean, the views across Coniston Water here is phenomenal. It's beautiful. I mean, the weekend's been really busy. Obviously, well, now this is I was filming this Monday afternoon, so obviously most of the weekend trade's all left, and I think obviously being a campsite, most of the tenters have decided that no, it's a bit hot for tents, because obviously the weather forecast has been trying to frighten everybody to death with your tent will set on fire and stuff like that, because it's going to be scorching. But it is what it is. But the lake's been really quiet today, and it's been lovely to just mess about in the water and it not been too busy. It's been really, really good, especially when you're new to this kayaking lark. The last thing you want is to be making an ass of yourself in front of a lot of people. So yeah, but as you can see, we're getting a bit of wake again. That's the other pleasure boat coming down. So I was looking at, I wish I could see I didn't have the camera on the edge of the boat and had it on myself, because you're not really getting to see, you're only seeing the front of what's in front of the boat. The next time I do this, I'll probably wear it like a body cam type thing. If I turn, you'll be able to see what I'm seeing, because you're not getting the true beauty of what I'm seeing in front of me. As I say, as you can see, it's getting a wee bit of a wake off the boat. He was actually coming straight for me. I thought I was going to have to get a paddle on, but he's sort of diverted into the middle of the lake now. So, but no, it's been an interesting little paddle across. And to say it's an old fella like me, what's that, we're 8 minutes in and we're almost at the other side. I say that's no bad gun for an unfit ex-chain smoking plumber. But no, it's no, as I say, even unfit, you can have a lot of fun in these things. So yeah, I would definitely advise, if anybody was to say, I would say yeah, get one. But yeah, really good. Thoroughly enjoyed it. I say, I don't know if it would be as enjoyable if the weather wasn't like this. But the fact that I'm out here with just a life vest on, a pair of shorts, I'm not all rigged up in the dry suits and wet suits and whatever suits. But no, it's been most enjoyable. We're almost there. Just have a wee spin round. See, that's the last of the wake of the canal, the lake cruise, the touristy, that thing there that's going down the water. Look at that view. That's just picture postcards, isn't it? And that's why the Lake District's National Park makes so much money. And it's always so busy. Views like that. Anyway, we're on the final push to land at the other side. Yards. But yeah, not bad going. What's that? Just short of 12 minutes to get to the other side. As I say, not bad for an old wrinkly. I say, the difference over here, there's like 5 people on this whole beach. All the way around it. That's it. Anyway, I had a wee walk into the woods there. Found out where this lad said that you could wild camp. You can't wild camp. It's there's a Forestry Commission car park which is closed. I don't know if it opens at certain times of the year or whatever, and whether you need to be a member of the Forestry Commission to use it. But it's the usual. No parking in front of this gate, and there's 3 cars parked in front of it. So it can't be a well used Forestry Commission car park. Anyway, heading back over. Take a wee wander down this side first. The lady there teaching a dog to swim. Little puppy. So I was going to head down the lake because there's the Campbell Museum and stuff up on the right hand side, and there's a restaurant or something on the right hand side as well. It's got its own jetty and stuff outside. I was going to turn me down to that, but I started heading down, and then I thought to myself, I'm not going to be able to see much from the water's edge. I'm on my own, so I can't really leave the kayak. So I just decided, no, I'll head back over. So it was but rather enjoyable. So peaceful and tranquil out there on your own in the water. It's nice. So yeah, so it was the journey back over, pretty much more of the same. And just sort of admire the scenery. Little sailboats in the bottom there. Wake on from one of the pleasure cruises. As I say, that's when I just decided I can off. Just spin it round, let me take in the view. So I'm just going to stick you on fast forward to take you back across the lake. Spin it for home. Let's pick you back onto my outboard. I wish. So yeah, it's it was an absolutely glorious day. Glorious weekend, actually. As I say, made by the weather and the company. It was a lot of laughs were had this weekend. Good time. Can't wait to do it again. Really can't wait to do it again. Now, as you can see, that's us almost back over. Yeah, fantastic weekend. Big thanks to the Disjointed Dubs admin for organising this, because probably wouldn't have been up here if I hadn't been for them organising this weekend. Cheers again. Anyway, we're back over. That's my wee jaunt, my wee excursion across from the other side. Here's Simba coming down the beach to meet me. I hope you enjoyed my wee paddle, because I certainly did. If you enjoyed the wee video, give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching, people. Take care out there. Ta-ra.